Hey guys, I'm Ben with Fresh Start Contracting. We're on a job we just finished today, so we're gonna take a round. I'm gonna give you a little tour. Okay guys, so on this finished basement, let me show you some of the features that we put in here. So for starters, what you're not seeing is this basement has a French drain on the interior. So underneath this floor, there's perforated pipe which goes to a sump pump back there and basically gets out any unwanted water, anything that's coming in, and protects the investment. Other cool things, this is going to be a rec room. We have recessed lights, low ceilings, and we have speakers up here. So it'll be cool for entertaining or just for hanging out. One of the other features here are the finishes. Let me tell you about them. So on the wall here we have shiplap. So it's pretty much just a wall paneling. It's just a wall finish, but as you can see, it's nice looking. It's also resilient for wraparound being a space maybe kids will play in. Going down to the floor here, we picked a LVT type flooring. You can't really just do any flooring in the basement. So that is a luxury vinyl tile, and this is just technically a floating floor. It goes right over the slab, and it's really durable. And there's a lot of options that are nice looking. Another feature about the basement is that we cut it in a new window. So this is a larger window. It's technically an egress window. All right, let me show you the bathroom. So as you can see, we basically carried the same look into the bathroom. This is just another shiplap wall, pretty much just put into the bathroom. We did shaker door, matching black hardware everywhere. Especially the mirror, especially the light fixture that got picked really intentionally to give this look that we're going for. Another couple of cool features of the plumbing in here. We've got this wall-hung toilet, so the tank is in the wall, saves us a lot of space. It's also easy to clean under. Right here, another cool feature is no curb on this shower. So you just go directly in, there's no door, there's just a panel, and you're in here. Everything is really pitched so that when the shower's on, the water flows directly to that drain. Lastly, the bathroom. So we put some privacy on that glass. It's basically a film that will keep it so you can't see